Hi friends, I have Mr. Mouse with me again today. Say good morning, Mouse. We're going to read another one of his books. Remember what we read yesterday? If you give a mouse a cookie, remember his book? This one? And we read about him. Remember, he wanted a cookie and then it made him thirsty for some milk. And then he drew a picture to hang on the refrigerator. Remember everything that happened in the book? So we're going to read another book of his today. And this one is called If You Give a Mouse a Brownie. Do you like brownies? Which one do you like better, brownies or cookies? That's a hard choice, isn't it? I don't know, I like them both. So, Mouse is our character again today, and we're going to read If You Give a Mouse a Brownie. So, Mouse is going to sit over here with me. He's going to listen to this story, and then we're going to talk about things that happened in the book, and we're going to talk about syllables again in just a minute, okay? So, Mouse is going to hang out over here, and we're going to read If You Give a Mouse a Brownie. Okay, I wonder what's going to happen. We know what happened if we gave him a cookie. Now let's see what's going to happen if we give him a brownie. Okay, the author of the book is Laura Numeroff. And remember I told you yesterday, we're going to be reading more of her books. So look, here's our cookie book, and she is the author in that book too. The same person that wrote If You Give a Mouse a Cookie also wrote If You Give a Mouse a Brownie. And guess what? Don't the pictures look the same? That's because the illustrator is the same too. The illustrator of the book is Felicia Bond. So they worked together to write another book and make another book for us to read. So let's find out what happens if you give a mouse a brownie. Okay, here's our title page. Here we go. You ready? If you give a mouse a brownie, you see Mouse down here in his little blue overalls? He is going to ask for some ice cream to go with it. And when you give him ice cream, he will ask you for what do you need to eat ice cream with? A spoon. Then he'll start drumming on the table with his spoon. You ever do that? He's going to take his spoon and he's going to tap the table to kind of make a drumming sound. So drumming will get him so excited that he will want to start a band. So you'll have to play the guitar, and he'll want to put on a show for you. So you'll have to build a stage, and then you'll need some spotlights and a microphone. You ever done that at home? You ever pretended to have a concert in your house and sing songs? When the stage is finished, oh, that's a pretty good stage, look. And he's singing on his microphone. Oh, and look what they're using for the spotlight. You know what that is? A flashlight. When the stage is finished, he'll want to make lots of tickets. You'll have to find paper and markers, and when the tickets are done, he'll decide to make posters as well. It's a good idea, isn't it? He will hang them all over his neighborhood. Here's his poster. It says rock concert. Look at that picture he drew of himself. That's really good, isn't it? He's hanging these posters around the neighborhood because he wants other people in the neighborhood to come to his concert and watch him perform. And he's going to make them buy tickets, too, to get in. When he's out hanging them, it might start to rain. So he'll fold his posters and make a little boat. Look at Mouse. He didn't want his clothes wet, so he's taking off his clothes. And he's folding up his posters so they don't get all wet. Remember, he made the posters into a little boat. Then he'll sail the boat in a puddle. There he goes. See how he took that paper and made a boat? He'll get so wet, he'll start to sneeze. Then you'll have to put him in your pocket so he will stay nice and warm. You see? See Mouse in his pocket? When he peeks out of your pocket, he will smell something delicious. The smell will remind him that he's hungry. You'll have to take him to the store to get a few things to nibble on. Of course, he'll want to have a picnic. When the sun comes out, you'll have to take him to the park. While you're setting up the picnic, he will see a playground and jump on the swings. He'll go as high as he can. When he looks up at the sky, he might notice a big white cloud. The cloud will remind him of the ice cream that he ate. So he'll probably ask you for some ice cream again. And chances are, if you give him some ice cream, what do you think he's going to want? He'll want a brownie to go with it. See Mouse right there? Look, he's got his brownie with some ice cream on it. The end. Did you like that book too? If you give a mouse a brownie. Which one was your favorite? Which did you like the best? If you give a mouse a cookie or if you give a mouse a brownie? I liked them both. Yeah, do you have a favorite one? Mouse is the character in both of them, isn't he? Yeah, so we're going to do what we did yesterday since we're talking about syllables. I have some pictures from the book, from If You Give a Mouse a Brownie, and I'm going to show you those pictures. And then we're going to decide how many syllables the word has that tells us what the picture is, okay? Remember what syllables are? Syllables are parts of a word. So when we say a word with our mouth and our ears hear it, we hear different parts in that word. So yesterday we practiced. Remember, we practiced with the word cookie. Say the word cookie with me and let's clap it. Ready? Cookie. Okay, let's say it again. Ready? Cookie. How many sounds do you hear in that word? Cookie. I hear 2. That means there's 2 syllables in that word. Okay, remember how we did that? Okay, we're going to do the same thing again today, but we're going to look at pictures and words that were in our brownie story. So what is this a picture of? That's a brownie. This word says brownie. So let's see how many syllables are in the word brownie. Remember what we do to figure it out? We're going to clap it while our mouth says it. Ready? Brownie. Okay, let's try again. Brownie. How many syllables do you hear in that word? I hear 2. Brownie. Okay, there's 2 syllables in the word brownie. Okay, remember when he was at the playground, he saw this in the sky and it reminded him of ice cream. What is this a picture of? Cloud. Okay, this is the word cloud. Let's see how many syllables are in the word cloud. You ready? Okay, we're going to clap it and say it out loud with our mouth. Ready? Cloud. Cloud. How many syllables do you hear? 1. That's right. Ready? Let's count it. Cloud. That word only has 1 part, so it has 1 syllable. Okay, good. Okay, remember what he's making for his concert? He asked for some paper and markers. He's making a ticket. This word says ticket. Let's see how many syllables are in the word ticket. Okay, you ready? We're going to say it and clap it. Ready? Ticket. Ticket. How many syllables do you hear? I hear 2. Let's count them with our fingers. Ready? Ticket. There are 2 syllables in that word. Good. Are you getting the hang of it? Remember, this just takes practice. Okay. Remember, he wanted to do his concert, so he had to get out the guitar to play. This is a guitar. Okay, you ready? Let's find out how many syllables are in the word guitar. Okay, here we go. You ready? Guitar. Guitar. How many syllables? 2. Very good. Guitar. Very good. Okay. Excuse me, he was using one of these in his concert to sing. What is this? Microphone. This word says microphone. Let's find out how many syllables are in this word. Are you ready? Okay, let's say it and clap it. Ready? Microphone. Did you do it? Let's do it again. Microphone. I hear 3. Microphone. Did you hear those parts? Microphone. That's a longer word. There's 3 syllables in the word microphone, 3 parts. Good job. Okay, a couple more. What did he use to eat his ice cream with? What is this? A spoon. Let's say the word spoon and count the syllables. You ready? Here we go. Spoon. Spoon. How many syllables? 1. That's right. Last one. Remember, after it rained, he was hungry and they got food at the store and he wanted to go have a picnic on the playground. Here's the word playground. Let's see how many syllables are in the word playground. Okay, you ready? Let's say it and clap it. Say it with me. Ready? Go. Playground. Playground. How many syllables do you hear in the word playground. I hear two. Are you getting the hang of it? Good job. We have to keep practicing these, okay? I hope it was easier today than it was yesterday. So keep working on syllables at home. Watch that syllable video that I have on your tablet too, okay? Thank you for listening this whole time. I know the book was a little bit longer in our activity, but you guys did a good job sitting down and watching with me. So very proud of you. I hope you guys are having lots of fun at home. I sure do miss you, but I will see you soon. I want you to have a good day, okay?